Problems connecting to the internet can occur for many reasons. Follow these steps to troubleshoot an internet connectivity problem. Run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter utility. Run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter utility to look for common causes of network problems on your computer. Left-click on the Windows search box and type Troubleshoot. Left-click on the Troubleshoot Settings option. Troubleshoot window will open. Left-click on the Additional Troubleshooters option. The Additional Troubleshooters window will open. Left-click on the Internet Connections option under the Get Up and Running section. Run the troubleshooter to resolve problems automatically. Left-click on the Run the Troubleshooter button. The Internet Connections window will open. The system will begin to search for problems. Once the search is complete, a list of all issues found will be displayed. Left-click on the Troubleshoot My Connection to the Internet menu option. Problems will now be searched for and resolved. The example shows that the troubleshooting has started.
Restart your computer. Restarting your computer clears the memory and can resolve a number of problems. Left-click on the Windows Start menu button to display the drop-down menu. Left-click on the Shutdown or Sign Out menu option. Left-click on the Restart menu option.
Reboot your modem, router, and firewall. Rebooting your modem, router, and firewall can resolve many internet connection problems. Unplug the power cables from your modem, router, and firewall. Usually these are located in the back of the device. Wait 1 full minute. Plug the power cables back in. Turn the devices back on, in this order: modem, router, firewall. It may take up to 3 to 5 minutes for all devices to fully start and become active again. Call your internet service provider. Sometimes internet connection problems are caused by a problem or outage with your internet service provider. Call the technical support number for your internet service provider. The ISP technical support representative will run through a number of steps to troubleshoot, diagnose, and resolve the problem. If they cannot resolve it remotely, they may need to send a technician to your home or office location for further troubleshooting, diagnosis, and resolution. Check your wireless signal. A poor wireless signal can cause a slowdown on the internet or a signal drop. Left-click on the Wi-Fi icon located in your system tray. Left-click on the Hidden Icons arrow if the Wi-Fi icon is not displayed in your system tray. Confirm that other devices are having the same network problem. Try connecting another device to your network, such as a laptop or smartphone. If your computer is the only device that is experiencing a connectivity problem, then the problem is with your computer. If other devices are experiencing the same problem, then the problem is with your network. Scan for viruses or malicious files. ESET Endpoint Security is a computer protection software that is used to protect computers from viruses and malicious software. Once installed and activated, ESET Endpoint Security will always be operative, searching for viruses and malware. Run an ESET Endpoint Security scan manually to ensure that your computer is free of viruses and malicious software. Make sure your wireless network is powered on. Right-click on the Windows Start menu button. Left-click on the Network Connections menu option. The status window will open. Left-click on the Wi-Fi menu option. The Wi-Fi window will open. Left-click on the Wi-Fi sliding switch button and slide the button to the on position. Make sure your wireless network adapter is enabled. Right-click on the Windows Start menu button to display a drop-down menu. Left-click on the Network Connections menu option. The status window will open. Left-click on the Change Adapter Options menu option. The Network Connections window will open. Locate your wireless network adapter. If the adapter is grayed out and says disabled, then the computer will not be able to connect to a wireless network. Enable your wireless adapter. Right-click on your wireless adapter. Left-click on the Enable menu option. Make sure the airplane mode is turned off. Right-click on the Windows Start menu button. Left-click on the Network Connections menu option. The status window will open. Left-click on the Airplane Mode menu option. Left-click on the Airplane Mode sliding switch button and slide the button to the off position. Make sure your network cable is plugged in. Sometimes the network cable can come loose or is not completely plugged into the computer. Unplug the network cable from your computer, then plug it back in. This will ensure the cable is securely attached to your computer. You can also replace the network cable with another one to make sure the cable is good. Verify that the physical wireless switch on your laptop is set to the on position. Most laptops have a physical switch on the laptop itself that turns the wireless receiver on and off. Make sure your wireless switch is set to the on position. Update or reinstall your network driver. A network connectivity problem can be caused by a bad or missing network driver. Microsoft Windows Update pushes many types of updates frequently, including device driver updates. These device driver updates can be incompatible with some devices. When this occurs, it can cause the device to stop working properly or altogether. If this happens to your network driver, you will not be able to connect to the internet at all. It is suggested to check for updates or reinstall a device driver if experiencing a network connectivity problem. Download and install the full driver package from its manufacturer website. The driver package from the manufacturer offers a richer experience than a Microsoft Windows Update driver. Usually, the Microsoft driver offers basic functionality and it will not install certain enhanced features for some devices. Reset Microsoft Internet Explorer to the factory default settings. The Microsoft Internet Explorer settings can cause problems with network connectivity. Microsoft Internet Explorer can become corrupted by a toolbar, malware, viruses, or a web page causing problems. When diagnosing network connectivity problems, it is a good idea to reset Internet Explorer back to its factory default settings. This action is not reversible, and all previous settings will be lost after the reset. Reset your network components. Network component settings can be set incorrectly, causing connectivity problems. Incorrect settings can be caused by a toolbar, malware, viruses, or a web page. When diagnosing network connectivity problems, it is a good idea to reset your network components back to their factory default settings, then restart your computer. Left-click on the Windows search box and type Command Prompt. Right-click on the Command Prompt option and left-click on the new Run as Administrator menu option. The Administrator Command Prompt window will open. Left-click at the less than symbol to place the cursor in the Command Prompt window. Flush the DNS history. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Reset your network configuration. Type netsh IP reset and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Reset WinSock. Type netsh WinSock reset and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Close the Command Prompt window. Left-click on the X button to close the Command Prompt window. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Disable your proxy if applicable. In Windows 10, there are two places to check for proxy settings: the program side and the app side, because Windows 10 is a combination of a computer and a tablet. Some networks use a proxy, however, most do not. Check whether your network uses a proxy before disabling it. If your network does not use a proxy and you have one configured, this can cause network connectivity problems. Left-click on the Windows search box and type Internet Explorer. Left-click on the Internet Explorer option. The Internet Explorer program will open. Left-click on the Tools button to display the drop-down menu. Left-click on the Internet Options menu option. The Internet Options window will open. Left-click on the Connections tab. Left-click on the LAN Settings button. The Local Area Network LAN Settings will open. Left-click in the Proxy Server checkbox and remove the checkmark from the box. Left-click on the OK button. The Internet Options window will be displayed again. Left-click on the OK button. The app side of Windows 10 also has a proxy feature. It is wise to check both locations to ensure no proxy is set. Left-click on the Windows search box and type Settings. Left-click on the Settings option. The Settings app will open. Left-click on the Network and Internet menu option. The Status window will open. Left-click on the Proxy menu option. The Proxy window will open. Left-click on the Automatically Detect Settings sliding switch button and then slide it to the off position. Left-click on the Use Setup Script sliding switch button and slide it to the off position. Left-click on the Use a Proxy Server sliding switch button and slide to the off position. Left-click on the Save button. Close the window. Left-click on the X button to close the proxy window.